Hi! In front of me is SONY Xperia XZ2, and today I would like to show you how you can record sounds using this device. Start by opening Play Store, tapping on the search bar and typing in Samsung Sound Recorder. Now you need to install this free app from this developer and open it. I already did that because it was taking forever to download. So now I can select Continue right away, tap on Allow in the pop-ups and click on Yes, I agree. Then click on this red button to start your recording. You can pause it and unpause it using the same one. You can add a bookmark by tapping on this pen icon over here, typing wherever you wish to and choosing OK. If you wish to end your recording, click on this check mark over here and save at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully created. You can rename it by holding it and clicking on this icon over here next to the hard one. Type in wherever you wish to. I will go with some gibberish and click on OK. You can also delete your recording by holding it, tapping on this pin icon at the top right corner and choosing delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!